The purpose of this video is to show you how to connect to Google Classroom on an iPad. You can get the Google Classroom app from the App Store on your iPad. Also, if you have a DOE iPad, it should already be installed onto your device. This is the app that you're going to need right up here. It says Classroom. So you're going to go ahead and click that, and this is the page you should see if you have not used it before. Once you're on this page, you're going to click the white Get Started button. And then from here, this is where you will sign in with your child's @ps20les.com account. This is the account that you can get from your child's classroom teacher. It cannot be a regular Gmail account, otherwise it will not work for the school's purposes. Once you've typed in your email, you're going to go ahead and click Next. Once you have the username typed in and you've clicked Next, this is the next window that will show up. A little tip is once you type in your password, I know I made a mistake. Once you type in your password, it turns into these black circles, and if you've made a mistake, you can't see what you've already written. One way to change that is to click on this white eye in the on the right side of the search bar, and once you click it, it will show you what you've typed. And you can keep that on as you're typing so you can type and see as you go. Once you have your password typed in, you're going to once again click the blue Next button that's on the right side underneath the password search bar. From there, it will give you this. You're just going to go ahead and click Accept. From here, you're going to go ahead and pick your role. The role you're going to want to click is the one on the left that says I'm a student. And this is asking if you would like notifications. That's really up to you. Basically, Google Classroom will let you know when your child's classroom teacher posts an assignment or things of that nature. It will just give you an alert. Okay, so now we are going to join our first class. You're going to click on the blue plus sign in the circle. The blue circle in the bottom right of your screen. From here, you're going to need the class code. If you don't already know your class code, you can ask your child's classroom teacher and they will share that code with you. Once you have the code written in, you're going to go ahead and click Join. Sometimes it takes a second, but the class that you joined should pop up. And there, this is the first class I've joined, which is Miss Drago's PE class. Now there is a way to go back to that first page we were on before we joined Miss Drago's class. And that first page is really important if you want to add a new class or if you've been invited to join a new class. So the way to do that is in the top left corner. There are these three horizontal lines right here in the gray circle. You're going to go ahead and click those. This is the window that will pop up. To go back to that first page and see your different classes, you're going to click Classes, the very first one on the top that's now highlighted in the light blue. Once you click that, we are now back on that first page. And as you'll notice, there's now a class on top of Miss Drago's physical education class. This is to show you what you will see if your teacher has already sent you an invite. And if they've sent you an invite, you don't need to type in the class code. You just need to click Join, which is in the white box. Once you click Join, it will start joining you with the class. It's going to take a second. Now we are in that classroom that we were invited to. You will want eventually to go back to that first page with all your other classes to join your other specialty classes such as science, technology, art, and so on. You do that by going to the upper left corner, the 3 bars again, and then once again you click on classes. That's now highlighted in the light blue. From there, as your page loads, you will see all the classes you've signed up for. And to sign up for a new class, once again, you will go to the bottom right, the blue plus sign that's highlighted, the circle. You click on that, the search bar will appear, and you can type in the class code. All right, that is how you join and navigate your way through the different classes in Google Classroom.